Okay. Few students requested that they could not join today and they asked for the video. We'll be sending them video. Fine. Yeah. So last session, what topic? Fractions, no? So fractions we did, additions, subtractions.
Decimals.
Decimals also we did. Yeah, last before chapter we did fractions, no? Fractions we did, additions, subtractions, and a few multiplications. And today we will continue with the fraction multiplication and also division. Okay, if we have time, then we will do decimals also, if we have time. Okay. So 2 upon 3 times 3 upon 4. How much, tell me? Multiplication.
1 by 2, sir. 1 by 2.
Yeah, 3.
1 by 2.
3 we can cut. 1 time, 1 2 times, so 1 by 2.
Yes,
very good.
yes,
Very
sir.
good. So we have to simplify. Yeah, perfect. So 14 by 30. Tell me. 7 1 times, 7 2 times. Okay. And still we can continue. 2 1 times 2.
Sir, 1 by 5. 1 by 5,
yes,
sir.
1 by 5 is the answer. Very good. Right? Very good.
So 1 by 5.
Yeah, you are right. Yes. And we'll do a few more. Yeah.
Then.
I will tell. I will ask you guys. Maybe you do in your notebook. Otherwise, you can tell. Yeah, that also fine. You can tell, guys.
Sir, your voice is lagging.
Yeah, tell me.
And sir.
Fine. So you could see now. You could see on the screen.
So 5 by
1 second.
Sir, 5 by 2 and 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2. Sir, 2 1 by 2.
Yeah. 5 2 times. Yeah. 5 upon 2 or 2.5. Both are right. Yeah. Then. I don't know why it is not smooth. Writing is not smooth. Now tell me. Guys, yeah. Otherwise, you can tell. I will write down. I will simplify for you. So 13 1 time, 13 5 times, like that you can tell. And 2 4 times, 2 3 times. And so 3 upon 20. Again, you have to simplify this thing. 3 upon 20. Again, you have to simplify. Yeah, that is fine. That's it. No further. So you guys got this? Okay. 3 upon 20. You have to multiply 4 and 5. Any doubt here? Or everyone comfortable? Tell me. If you have doubt, tell me. I will explain you one more time.
No, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Yeah. And what about division, guys? So
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
How
yes.
much this is? Tell me.
Sir, where? Sir, where is the question?
Okay. I'm using Notepad, so it is not showing. This paint tool I'm using.
Hello, sir. I can't hear you.
Yeah. One second. My complete. Yeah. Now could you see?
No, sir.
No. Okay. 1 second. So instead of paint window. Okay, now you could see. Okay, yeah, tell me.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, 2 divided by 2 upon 3.
1
Sir, 5-1.
So how you have to do this thing? So the denominator part.
Sir,
Yeah, you have to flip this. Suppose this is like this. You have to flip this. So how to flip? And when you flip, you have to multiply. So numerator as it. So this thing you have to flip. So it will become 3 upon 2. So answer is 3 answer.
sir, we
Are
have
you
to
getting
do
it?
reciprocal of it.
Exactly. You have to flip this. Vertical flip. So this is head. So 2 is on the numerator. So it will go to the denominator. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this thing how you can understand this thing.
Sir,
So
I cannot
2 means
understand.
2 upon 1. Yeah, I'm telling one more time. So this one, yes or no? 2 means 2 upon 1, 2 by 1. And the denominator 2 by 3. Okay. And this is head and foot like that. So I have to flip this. When I flip this thing times, so flip. So 3 will come to the numerator. 3 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled and 3 is the answer. So flip up one goes to bottom. You could see now I'm showing pen, guys.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
And flip means this is head. Vertical flip means what will happen? It will become like this. Yes or no? Top to down. Yoga. You have Shirshasana.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, like that. Okay, so 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. You have to flip vertically. Got this now?
Reciprocal.
Yes, reciprocal. Yeah, we'll do few more sums. Multiplication now. Tell me.
Sir, can't see the question.
Sir, you
Yeah,
can't see the
now you could
question.
see. Sometimes it takes few seconds to refresh. The same procedure use. To write as it is.
Sir,
Then
1
we have
3
to
by 5.
flip to what?
So 8 by
Sir, 1 3
4
by
by
5.
5.
Sir,
Yeah.
1 3 by 5.
Yeah, 8 by 5. Then after that you will get 1 3 by 5. Very good. Yeah. Very good. And this 3 upon 5. Okay. 3 upon 5. We read like that. Fractions reading 3 upon 5. We read like that. Standard, that is 5. Any doubt? Anyone has doubt?
No, sir.
Very good. Very good. And we will do multiplication. One worksheet. Right in your notebook. After that we'll discuss. Few more sums are there. And here how to multiply numerator with numerator. Anyone has doubt with multiplication? Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, and you may have to simplify. Even before multiplication, do simplification before multiplication, such that it will be easy. Sorry.
Sir, next.
You guys finished this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So what is the fourth one, sir?
Yeah. Now you could see.
Yes, sir.
One second, guys. I think it is not recording. Let me confirm. Yeah, okay, it is recording. Yeah, because the students who are absent today. Okay. Yeah, did you finish the ends? Or you have doubt? Okay.
Sir, I have doubt in.
Number 3. Yeah, tell me your answer. I will tell. Yeah, tell me your answer.
So 1 by 14.
Right, that is right. You just have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. That's it.
Okay.
1 times 1 divided by 7 times 2. Simple. Did everyone finish doing the sums?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah. Do correction. Check your answers.
Sir, number 9. Number 9.
Yeah, you could see now. You could see.
Sir, all
Sir,
correct.
all correct.
sir.
Sir, all correct.
Very good. Very
All
good. Any
correct.
doubts?
No, sir.
Right. Yeah. Worksheet 2. Yeah. Do this. After that, we'll do something else. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah. This is new worksheet.
sir, next.
Yeah.
Sir, please tell me phone call has come.
Yeah. You could see the next sum.
Sir, number 1.
Oh,
Sir, phone call has come.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
So I was informed.
Yeah.
Number
See, guys.
1. Thanks.
Sir, next. Last sum 10.
The next
1
one.
second.
7.
Yeah, guys. All sums you could see.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, done.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Please wait.
Yeah. Yeah, if you have done with, then you can just cross check.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, guys. Yeah.
Sir, finish.
Shall we check answers?
Sir, 1 minute only.
Okay. You have to simplify also. Okay,
Sir, please
everyone,
display
you have
the
to simplify. Yeah, the good idea is first to simplify.
Yes,
After that, do
sir.
multiplication.
Completed. Completed, sir.
Sir, please display the answers.
Please display the answer. Please display the answers.
Yep. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
3 by 8, 1 by 12, 1 by 16.
Sir, all correct.
Perfect.
Sir, mine also all correct, Divyansh.
Very good, Divyansh. Very good. Very good.
Yes, sir, all correct.
Perfect.
I am displaying it.
Sir, I am also
Very
different.
perfect. Very good, guys. Very good, guys.
So everything correct.
Very good. Very good. Yeah. Decimals, addition, subtraction, multiplication,
no,
division.
sir.
You can do all
Yes.
these things for decimals also. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how to read this.
0.532.
Yes. And yeah, how to add this? As usual, from
Yes,
right we have to start from. So column plus 4, 6, and then 3 plus 0, 3, 5 plus 5.
4.036.
Yes. Shall we do the same sum subtraction?
4.0036.
I am displaying.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do it.
It's 4.036.
How to cross check whether it is right or wrong? 4.036. Someone told this thing. How to cross? We have to add these two, and we should get this thing.
72.
038. 036 is wrong. No, that also wrong.
Sir, minus.
Sir,
Minus.
do this, sir?
It should be minus. Yep.
So, what is the correct answer?
You tell me.
Do this, sir?
I did not do this thing. So yeah, I just had written. Yeah, guys.
Sir, how to do this, sir?
Okay. Otherwise, let us do some simple sum before this. Okay. Let's just assume like 8.
Sir, minus,
Yeah, yeah.
sir, minus 3.28.
Sir, how?
Sir, minus 3.028.
I will check. I will check. Yeah, do this thing. So 8.532.
972 minus
Add change the sum. Guys.
Sir.
8.532 minus 3.504. First, let us do some. 5.028. Any other answer, or everyone got the same?
Table is
Yes, sir, 5.0.
Yeah, 5.028. How to cross check? We have to add these two. Then if we get this, so let us do addition here. So 12, 3, 5, 8. So 8.532. So we got it. So we are right. So we can cross. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
we can cross. Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yeah, let us do some few simple sums. Subtraction again. Again, cross check yourself. You have to do cross checking.
It is subtraction or addition.
Subtraction. Subtraction.
Okay, sir.
2.7.
2.79, sir.
Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you cross check? Did you cross check? You can cross check and reconfirm. You have to cross check. Yeah, right, guys.
Yes.
You are right.
Sir, is it 2.79?
79. 79. Don't read 79. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have to read it 79. So each digit separately. So earlier we have not done addition subtraction we did earlier.
Sir,
It is not visible.
Yeah, it will come. Yeah,
We didn't do it.
yeah, let us do, guys. Everyone comfortable or you need help? If you need help, please let me know.
Done.
Everyone, guys, you can cross check. Yeah, very good. And you can cross check. Let others also doing 1 or 2 minutes. Meantime, you can cross check. How you can cross check? By doing addition, you can cross check. Yeah, I could see. Very good.
That Divyansh.
Still anyone doing or everyone finished this thing?
Sir, doing, sir.
Okay.
Sir, done.
So everyone done, I think.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
done.
Check on. Okay. We'll check answers. Yeah. Check your answers.
Sir, all
Sir,
correct.
all correct. Sir, all correct.
Perfect.
Sir, all correct.
Very good, guys.
Sir, I am displaying.
Yeah, perfect. Very good. Excellent. Yeah. So everyone doing very good.
Sir, all correct. Sir, all correct.
Very good. Yes, very good, guys. And you guys know ratios?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We know about
Okay.
No, sir, I don't know.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Ratio.
Sir, I know ratio, proportion, and unitary method
So the
also.
same thing
Sir,
you
it
can
is
write in the form
our.
of a
It is in
ratio.
our.
So 1
Yes,
is to 2.
sir. Yeah, I'm sorry, I know about it.
Yeah, ratio. Yeah, I'm expecting.
Sir, 1:2.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. 1:2.
1/2 we can write like 1:2. In fractions we discussed equivalent fractions. Okay. In fractions we discussed equivalent fractions. The same way we will have equivalent ratios.
Yes,
We will
sir.
have so both we will discuss equivalent fractions and ratios. So 4 upon fractions. 4/6. Yeah, very good,
By
very good.
6.
Yeah, Divyansh. Yeah, very good, Divyansh. Sorry, yeah, good. Yeah,
6.
yeah. 3 by
Yes, sir.
2 times. Huh?
Sir, 8 by 12.
2 times.
Sir, 8 by 12.
No, equivalent fractions.
sir.
8 by
Yes, sir.
12.
This should be 8 by 12.
Sir, can you tell how to find out ratio?
Yeah, these are same. First, these are equivalent fractions. What I'm talking about is equivalent fractions. If you are comfortable with equivalent fractions,
Okay, sir.
yeah, equivalent fractions, equivalent ratios. So equivalent fractions. When we simplify, we should get same fraction. Equivalent fractions. So we can multiply or divide both numerator denominator by the same number. So here what I did, so I divided this by 2 numerator, I got 2. Here I divided by 2/3. Then this thing I multiplied by 4. This numerator multiplied by 4. This denominator multiplied. So these are equivalent fractions.
Sir, can you explain once again with other example?
Yeah, fine. Yeah. So we discussed it in previous class also. So fraction, you tell one fraction. So 3/5 2, I can multiply 3/5, both numerator and denominator. I have to multiply by any number. I can multiply by 2 or 3, whatever. So let me multiply by 2. So value won't change. Upon 10. The new fraction is 6/10. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 3/5 equal to C number of equivalent fractions. Let me write one more equivalent fraction here. So instead of 2, what I can write 3 or any number. I just have to multiply by the same number, both numerator and denominator. So here it is now 9/15. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any number. I just have to multiply by the same.
39 by 65.
Yeah, 39. 3 times 3 times 3, 13 is 39. Then
65.
65. Yeah, fractions. And equivalent ratios are just conversion from fraction to ratio in the form of a ratio. So here 4:6. The first one, how I can write 4:6. That's it. And the third fraction I can write 8:4.
Sir, I can't see the
So
screen.
these are- you could see, you could see.
sir.
Yeah, now you could see. It may take I don't know today, I don't know, but it is a little time today. Yeah. Generally, you should be able to see on the spot. Yeah. You got it now? The same. The 4/6 I had written like 4:6. The same way 2/3 I had written like 2:3. Numerator, the denominator I had written in the what we can call these guys? Equivalent.
Equivalent ratio, sir.
Equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios. Okay. Equivalent ratios. Then everyone done? Copied? So equivalent fraction. Any doubt here?
Nothing, sir.
Very good. Yeah, very good. And we'll do few
Sir, I
sums.
have a doubt.
Yeah,
Sir,
I did not get you. Repeat again.
sir, what is
I could not hear you. I don't know.
equivalent fractions and equivalent ratios, sir?
Oh, yeah, tell me. Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
We can convert one into another. Unknown.
2:3, sir.
No, here I am asking the missing number. Perfect. Very good.
Yes, sir, 18.
Yeah. Everyone got it? Very good.
12/18, sir.
Very good. Yes.
So can you tell how to find? Sir, we 3 into 6, same.
Yes. Now, yeah, I changed the question.
10/15.
Sir, 10.
So 10/15.
10/50.
Right.
No,
Yeah.
sir.
Anyone has doubt?
I'm
Everyone
still,
comfortable? Perfect. Perfect. Another
Okay.
method I can tell here. You can do cross multiplication. This is called cross
Yes,
multiplication.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Cross multiplication.
Yes, sir.
So 15
Sir,
times
it's-
2, 30.
So in this we have to multiply by crossly.
Yeah, cross. So here 15 to 2. 15 times 2 is 3x. Then x equal to 3x equal to 30. So x equal to 10.
Yes,
Cross
sir.
Sir,
Here these are equivalent fractions.
Sir, can you
What we are
please-
doing is equivalent fractions. Yes, someone was asking.
Sir, I did not understand. Can you please repeat once
Can
more?
you please repeat once more, sir?
Yeah, fine. Different ways we can do in many different ways. So 3 become 15 means 5 times we are multiplying. The same way 5 times we can multiply here. So for small, simple, difficult sums, that may be a little difficult. For basic sums, directly you can do 3, 5 times 15. So 2 also 5. Another method what I was talking.
Sir, please
Yeah,
see
another
my-
method that I was talking, cross. So you can from top to. So cross means like this, na? These two and these two. Cross multiplication, this is called. So generally we write only one arrow. So to indicate that here to here, here to here. So and 3 times x, 3x. This is another method. Any one of the methods you can use. There is no hard.
So all this we will learn about in the algebra.
Yes, algebra only. This comes in algebra.
So because I only little know about algebra.
Now you are understanding, na?
Yes.
If you have doubt, ask. Tell me what is x.
Sir, 35.
There is a
Sir,
question.
35. The 35.
3 7 times.
Yes, sir.
So 5 also 7 times. So 35. So directly we can do like that also. If you do cross multiplication. The same thing I can write in the form of ratios. So how I can write 5:3 equal to. This thing you may feel little difficult, but both are same. You can convert this into ratios. Okay. Sorry, into simplify these things. So ratios you can convert into fractions and you can simplify. You can tell the unknown value. Fine. value in this equivalent ratios.
35 is to 40, sir.
Sir, 40.
Perfect.
Sir, 40 and
Sir, 40.
Yes,
Sir,
x
40.
equal to 40. Everyone got, or any doubt is there? How we got this?
Using this ratios.
once again.
Yeah, here what we can do here, so ratios we can convert to fractions. I told you na, ratios we can, so 7 upon 8 equal to 35 upon x. Okay, so now we know the so 5 times, so answer is 40. Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So ratios, because you don't have much practice, ratios you have very less practice, that's fractions, then you are comfortable with fractions
Sir, got it.
because you did sums on fractions already. Yeah, let me write. Yeah, 7 is to equal to.
Sir, can't see your screen.
Yeah. I'm wondering why it is. Yeah. Now it is. Yeah. 7 is to 13 equal to x.
Sir, 91.
91.
Sir, 91. Sir, 91.
X equal to.
Sir, 90.
Yeah. Everyone up to 20 you should know.
Sir, I know up to 91.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir,
tell
I
me.
know tables from. I know.
Yeah, for the next class you have to multiply.
Sir, I know till
multiplication table.
99.
99.
Sir, because I
Oh,
learned
yeah?
abacus, so there is a
Sir,
simple
I
method to
also learn about it.
multiply.
I also.
99.
Great, very good.
Because I learned X, sir.
So you guys can tell immediately if I ask something.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
Yes,
like
sir.
17 times 6 like that. Yeah, 17
Yes,
times
sir.
6.
What?
1 or 2,
17
sir.
times 6.
102.
Yeah, right. Yes, 102. Right.
102.
Yes. So everyone should know up to 20 at least by heart. Mandatory. Okay, up to 20. So many of you knew up to 13, I think. So for the next class, you have to by heart both 14th and 15th. Two tables, multiplication tables by heart. I will ask randomly. So 14 7 times like that I will ask, you have to tell. So you make a note. 14th, 15th multiplication tables by heart, homework. So we'll do few more ratios, okay? Yeah, tell me. Y equal to
35.
Y equal to
35, sir.
You are right. Very easy.
10, sir. 10.
Perfect. Very good. Very good. I will extend this.
Sir,
So in ratios,
I didn't get the
tell me.
first one.
Who, Kriti?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 15 becomes 75. So here first term to first term we have to see. Okay. So here first terms are not known. Here first term is some missing thing. So both second
Yes,
terms
sir.
are known. Yes or no? So how many times this was? 5 times. Getting?
So 5.
5 times. 5 times. So 15 times 5 equal to 75. The second term. In the ratio, the 75 or second term. So 15 multiplied by 5, 75. The same way, we have to multiply 7 by 5 times and we should get
Okay, sir,
30.
got it.
Yeah, the same way here. So here 8, 10 times multiplied. So this also we have to multiply
Okay,
by
sir.
10 times. Or here divided by 10. So 100 also divided by 10, like that. Either way we can do. So ratios, either way we can write, okay? Yeah, here tell me, x. So these are equivalent fractions.
340, sir.
Right,
40.
very good. Yes, 340 is answer.
Yes, sir.
And Kriti, are you getting? Okay, so 170 times. This also 170 times. So 2 times. Here how to do? Here in this case we have to use our technique. What cross multiplication we have to use here? So here you can do cross multiplication. So 3 times x, you can assume that x equal to 7 times 7, 49 upon 3. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
If it is simple sum, directly we can do without cross multiplication. Here it is difficult to do cross multiplication. Here because we are not sure multiplication table. So we have to do cross multiplication here. Yeah, everyone, listen. So here denominator I can assume x. This denominator x cross multiplication technique 3x equal to 49. Then x, that's it. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, so we discussed today many things. Yeah, Shaurya.
Sir, I didn't understand this
Yeah, okay,
question. Can
okay,
you tell
okay.
once more?
Okay, the same thing, whatever we did here. So you see, previously, I asked you guys very simple, like, so suppose 15 upon what? X. So here it was very simple for you. So 3, 5 times, there in a 3 multiplication table. 3 multiplication table, you can find 3. It was easy that time. But do you have 7 in a 3 multiplication table? Yes or no? So in this case, what you have to do? You have to use cross multiplication. You knew both, na? So I explained you both the techniques. So if you can't do directly by logic, then you can do cross multiplication. So here we got 3x equal to 49. Then here 3 times x. Suppose 3 books you assume, like 3 notebooks cost is 49 by 3. Right? That's it. Of course, this one you have to convert to mixed fraction. How much is 16 1/3? Everyone getting? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about? I have not heard you. Archana, you are on mute, and also video is also off.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, I got this cross multiplication, sir, but after writing 3 divided by, what should we do, sir? After multiplying, cross multiplying, 7 into 7 is 49. After that, what should we do?
No, here, yeah, 3x equal to 49. Up to here, you understand?
Yes, sir.
I asked you, like, you assume x is a node. So here what we are doing, this 3 we have to send to the other side. In math, this 3 you have to send to the right hand side. How to send to right hand side 3? Here 3 and this side multiplication become division. So here 49 is there, 49. This 3 you are multiplying here. When you send to right hand side, you have to do division. That's it. So when you move to right hand side, then the multiplication here becomes division. Suppose here we knew like 3 plus here. You guys knew this thing. 3 plus x equal to 10. Suppose you went to a shop and one notebook is 3 rupees, another notebook is x.
Sir, x equal to 7, sir.
That one, when we write the equation, so what I am telling, you bought 2 notebooks. So 2 notebooks. So one notebook is, but for both of them you paid 10 rupees. Okay, so 3 plus how much equal to 10? So here x equal to 10. So here what we will do, x equal to, so this 3 we have to move to the right hand side. 3 we have to move to right hand side. Here 3, when we move to right hand side, here 3 means plus 3 it is. If we move to right hand side, plus 3. So 10 minus 3 equal to 7. 7 is answer in this case. So this is writing by writing equations.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay. Then who else joined late? Yeah, guys, who else joined late and any doubts? Hitesh, I think you joined a little late, I think.
No, sir, I joined first, sir.
Okay, maybe Nabhya.
Sir, I
Join
had
little late, I think,
another
today.
class, sir.
And, yeah, that's fine. Fine. No issues. Sorry, I can't change the timings because it is already informed to everyone. Yeah, but your dad said like you have class after 6, na? No?
4 to 5, sir.
Okay. 4 to 5. I remember like your dad messaged, but how you had this new class?
Today
Fine,
is
yeah.
the last class, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Your mom was asking. Sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And any doubts?
No,
Guys? Play
sir.
in 5 more minutes. So we are done today's session. In fact, so we spent 1 hour 10 minutes. Any doubts today?
No, sir.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah. I will share few math worksheets and also answer sheets you will get after 1 or 2 days. Worksheets, you need not download, you need not print, directly you can do. If you want, you can download.
Okay,
So
sir.
worksheets, how you did online now, na? So directly you can do the worksheets. So worksheets will be there and answer sheets will be there. We can discuss in future classes. So many worksheets we made for other students. We already giving for America students. We are giving these worksheets, and the same worksheets I am giving to you guys also. Of course, we have yeah. This is my America girls, sorry, America students. They are in 4th standard, 4th and 5th. Yeah, I will share worksheets. You have to do maybe 4 or 5 worksheets, and answer sheets you will get after 1 or 2 days. Yeah, shall we end today's session?
Yes, sir.
Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.